Erica Sager. Oh shit, it's Erica Sager.
To my right when you first walk in is my shoe gallery, if you will. It's basically just like a lineup of all my shoes. Let's close the door. So the first thing you'll see on the left when you walk into my room is this tapestry. Honestly, the best $50 I've probably ever spent. It has some of my favorite artists on it, and it's just great to look at first thing in the morning from my bed. So this is always my view in the morning. To the right of that is my desk area, which fits perfectly in this little corner, if you guys remember from my move-in video. But yeah, so there's this plant up there. It looks like it's alive, but it's actually so dead and crispy. I don't know if you can hear, but yep, it's dead. So this corner has a lot of personality to it, but on my desk I just have some notes. I have camera, some glasses, candles. This is my like board. Every month I write my intentions, and because it was just recently January, I wrote my resolutions. I need to work on my February intentions, but I haven't yet. But I just have this little thing from when I became a brother of the business frat that I'm in. I got this sticker that I love. Picture friends, my grandpa from a basketball game I went to last year. So then some more things from my business frat. I have a growing collection of license plates. When I travel, I like to buy from wherever they are. These are just some hands that I cut out from a newspaper a couple years ago. We've had a casualty. I don't know where the thumb went, but yep. Then I just have this picture of me and my mom and me and my dad in this corner. I also have a ton of school supply-esque things here. A little notepad, stapler, tape, and then these little pictures of me and my friends. Then I just have this jacket hanging there and some workout clothes for later. Under are all these books that I really would like to read but probably will neglect to. I've read some of them, but definitely not all of them. And then I have like a miscellaneous basket with a bunch more school supplies. But that is the desk corner of my room. And I am super blessed to have 2 windows in my room because it's pretty uncommon here. But because I think I am on the corner, that's why. But I just have these 2 windows. They let in a lot of light, and I haven't been proactive enough to buy curtains yet, so I never sleep in past like 10 a.m. so that's always cool. But I have this little mirror here. Hey, this hat my friend Kizzy gave me, so shout out to Kizzy. And then this Adidas hat from my friend Jamal. Yeah, pretty cool. Great for outfit picks. 10 out of 10 recommend having a mirror, you know. And then I have this little like leave things throughout the entire room. I think I'm gonna take, well, okay, entire is a stretch. I think I'm gonna take it down soon though, because you know, fall has come and gone. Here is my bed, pretty simple. It's just a plain mattress, and I brought a mattress topper. I have these pillows. The 2 colored ones are from Target and Bed Bath & Beyond, and then the one on the front is from Society 6. The little back pillow is from Target, and yeah, my sheets are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have this little gallery that lives right above me as I sleep, but it's just full of some art pieces that I made and that I bought. So I made these 2 kind of weird ones. Bought this one. I got these postcards. These are actually postcards. At the Louvre in Paris actually. And then I just have more pictures of my mom, me and my dad, and just some more art pieces, pictures of me and my friends and people who are really important to me. So I love them, and I love seeing these all the time because it just reminds me how much I love these people. So that's what it looks like from the corner. Also, I'm really embarrassed, but this one's dead too. So that's just an overview of the bed. And then I have this little, it's not little at all actually, but this, what's the word? Blanket from Target. And then my side table has this little poster, and I love how it's holographic, but then you just see what else I have. I have an oil diffuser, this little remote that controls some of the lights, candles, a lighter for the candles, and then a book I'm reading. It's called The Brain, The Story of You. And then I have a pen because I like to highlight or like underline stuff in the book, hair ties, and then a lollipop. Don't know why, but yeah, and then my phone. Then I have this little thing that says the mountains are my happy place. It's a little cheesy, but my mom got it for me, so it makes me happy. But yeah, that's this little corner. I don't know why it sounds like I'm out of breath. It's probably the whole asthma thing, but who knows. Then we have this Hamsa and this other Hamsa. This is my Hamsa wall. This one's from my grandma. Supposed to ward off like bad energy and dreams, and this one's from my friend Henna, so shout out to those two lovely ladies. Then is my closet. Honestly, just a closet. I don't really know what's up there. Some scuba gear, some towels, some sheets, studio lights, the works, a purse as well, but yep. And then right next to my closet is my bathroom. We got the classics, a shower, a toilet, the sink. So I keep quite a few things on the vanity, but I just have this block of shea butter because I like to use that, jojoba oil, rose oil, some clear nail polish, eye drops, some makeup, my starting lineup of products, basically just stuff I use on the daily. And then of course, floss, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So it's really not anything too special, and it's definitely not fully done being decorated, but yeah, this is a little overview. I'm really happy with what it is, and I think it's a good reflection of who I am, so I'm happy with that, but yeah.